Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to StarScene Scoop, where we bring you the latest news and updates on the most talked-about stories. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're tackling a controversy that's got everyone talking. JK Rowling calling for an apology from Sir Keir Starmer over the Supreme Court ruling on the definition of a woman. JK Rowling, the renowned author behind the Harry Potter series, has been making headlines lately with her outspoken views on transgender issues. And now, she's taken it up a notch by calling for an apology from Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer and other ministers who have supported trans rights groups in the past. According to reports, the Supreme Court unanimously ruled that the definition of woman and sex in the Equality Act 2010 refers to a biological woman and biological sex. This decision has sparked outrage among some politicians, with tens of thousands of people taking to the streets to protest against what they see as a betrayal of the trans community. But it's not just the politicians who are under fire. JK Rowling is also facing backlash for her own comments on social media. The author claimed that women have been persecuted, harassed, smeared, roughed up, and forced to take employers to court for discrimination due to a perceived ideology that has infiltrated elite institutions, including government. And here's the interesting part. Rowling is now calling for an apology from Starmer and other ministers who have previously supported trans rights groups. She claims that these politicians have failed to issue any sort of accountability or remorse for their past statements. Now, we know that this isn't the first time JK Rowling has been at odds with the Labour Party over her views on transgender issues. But what's surprising is that she's now turning the tables and demanding an apology from those who have traditionally been on the other side of the debate. At StarScene Scoop, we want to hear from you. Do you think JK Rowling has a point? Should politicians be held accountable for their past statements on transgender issues? Let us know in the comments. That's all for today's episode of StarScene Scoop. Don't forget to follow us on social media and stay up to date with the latest news and updates. We'll be back with more breaking news and analysis next time.